So over here, you can see that I have an image and a shape. So what I want to do is add a reflection to them. So in order to do that, I'm going to select image or the shape, and then I'm going to go to format options. Once I do that, you can see that at the end you have reflection as an option. So once you tick on this, you get the reflection, as simple as that. The same goes for the shape as well. You can just click on reflection and a reflection will be added in. What I can also do is I can go around and change these settings. So I can set the transparency of the reflection. I can really increase this out, decrease this out, or I can increase and decrease the distance. I can also increase the size of the reflection right here. So I can really keep it low right here, just like this, or I can really increase this out just like that, as you can see right there. And that is how the reflection works like. You can go around and increase around the size and the distance right here as well. So you can really increase out the distance and make it look as if it is on top of a shiny surface. And that is how the reflection format options work like in Google Slides. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.